Hi, boys and girls. I'm sorry I could not be there today, but I thought I'd make this video to help you along with your project. All right, so today we're going to be making block letters. And if you want to try to make your block letters look three-dimensional like they do in these pictures here, you can, but you don't have to. This is only if you're really good at making block letters and you want to try to challenge yourself, you could try to make them 3D looking. Okay, so let's get started. If you don't know how to make block letters, this is one way I like to teach my son and my students. So take a look. You're going to need a pencil. You're going to need a regular size piece of white paper, 9 by 12. It should be inside your art folder, not the big folded paper and not the little squares of white paper, just a regular size piece of white paper. And you're going to need something to color with probably. So first you're going to take your pencil. So let's imagine this is my pencil and you're going to write your letter very gentle with the pencil. So very, very light. The harder you push with your pencil, the harder it is to erase later on. Okay, so I've got my first letter. Now I'm going to take my color, whatever color I want, and this could be a crayon, it could be a colored pencil, it could be whatever. And I'm going to trace around my letter as carefully as I can, not touching the pencil, but going all the way around. And then if your letter has something on the inside, like this letter A does, don't forget to trace inside there too. Now I'm going to take my eraser and I'm going to very carefully erase inside the letter, erasing that pencil. And then all I'm left with is my block letter. Now, again, if you want to try to make a three-dimensional look to your block letter, you can do, you could try that if you want. Now, the key for 3D looking letters is pick two sides to extend out, not all four sides of the letter. So you can either go to the top and to the left, or to the top and to the right, or you could go to the bottom and to the right, or to the bottom and to the left. I like to go up and to the right. So I take my little pencil, just in case I want to erase it later on, and I draw little diagonal lines going in the same direction. For me, it's going up and to the right. I'm not going to do this corner down here though, because that would be inside the letter. I don't want to do anything inside. We don't want to make the letter look clear. We want to make the letter look like a block, like a 3D block. And now I'm going to draw parallel lines. Parallel lines are lines that go right next to other lines but don't actually touch. So this line here is parallel to the top of the A. And the line that I'm drawing now is supposed to be parallel to the side of the A. It's not easy drawing on a computer. And then up. There we go. And now my A looks like it's going up and to the side. And I can color this in if I want. What I like to do for my letters is color gentle with a crayon on the inside of the letter. And then if I did the 3D, I push down harder and make it look like it's in shadow. So make it look darker, like a darker shade. So gentle with the crayon on inside the letter, and then harder with the crayon on the side of the letter. Do your best, have fun. You don't have to do your name. You could do a nickname. You could do your initials. You could draw a favorite word like love or peace or favorite sports team. Whatever word you want is fine. Just have fun with it and keep it in your art folder. I will check them when I get back to school. Okay? Thank you very much, boys and girls.